Hello from Slovenia again. Today I'm working on 12 by 20 inch canvas, and I still have some Piggy's mixture with Vallejo Pearl medium and some other paints, and I will layer two colors and do a straight ring fantasy pours. But once I will start with permanent blue violet and go to the greenish blue Amsterdam, and in the otherwise I will do the opposite way. So I will speed you up for the process, just tell you about the colors. This was permanent blue violet and this is my pearl white mixture, and Liquitex Prussian blue hue, and this little piggy Pigments and Vallejo in Taffy, and I have Brilliant blue by Amsterdam, and I will add a little more of pearl white. So I'm hoping for some kind of cloudy looks in between, and this is Alizarian violet artist colors, and this one is Mermaid and Vallejo, and Amsterdam greenish blue. And now I will repeat the process, and the other cup I will do the opposite way. So I will talk to you soon. And I will just start with the first one that I poured in, and I will do one ring here. Okay, I definitely see difference, but still it's similar. I will just add a little water to my Prussian blue and pour it around for flow extender, and then I will tilt it. Okay. I will not go over the edge yet. Okay, so I think that I will go over the edge right now. On this side first. I have deep edged canvas, so I have to, you know, stretch and tilt quite some paint off the edge too. Okay, and let me bring this it's definitely very sparkly. I like this part more than this part. But overall I like it, so I will just work on my edges a little bit and take you for a close-up. Here is a close-up, and more I look, more I like it, because this shimmer of those metallic paints is just amazing, and I love those kind of cloudy look created with them and with pearl white. I'm not a fan of this part there, but overall I'm happy. 90%, and the sides are just gorgeous, and they shimmer so beautiful. maybe here on the sides you see more of the colors and lines, but wow, it's a glare. As I said, it grew to me very much, in some way reminds me of my dear friend and fellow artist Mina Villegas. So Mina, if you watch this, I don't know, it has your vibe, kind of course, with me mixed in. So this is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye.